So since I started this no code, low code automation, this is one of the most easiest. I don't know if the adding most and easiest is correct, but this was something I did with eyes closed. It was very interesting and very stress free. In short, I enjoyed it every step of the way.
Hello, everyone. So, today on my journey into tech or journey in tech, we're just going to be exploring a simple automation. I'm going to be using make.com. So, it's a simple automation. I'm just going to integrate Google Form to and get the response in Google Sheet. So, that's just it. So, first thing first, we've already have our form on Google that we're going to use. And when okay, let me just so this is our form. So it's just very easy. Our Gmail is already connected to make.com. If it's not connected, you click on add and you connect it. Then to get this form ID, it's very easy. All you have to do is just come here. So from here, down here, as you can see, this is our ID. So you just come back here and you copy it, then you click on save. After you click on save, you run it. You run it. Once you run it, you click on add again. You see a plus sign. You click on add, just like this plus sign here. You see it. Yeah, you click on add. Then the Google Sheet, you put it. The one they write add a row. Then for the Google Form, you put watch response. So for this one, you just come here. It's already connected. But if it's not connected to your Gmail, this is where you do it. My drive. Then you come down here. This is the form, as you can see. This is the form. Lobby week 3 of form. So that's the form. Then, so when you are adding these values, let me show you. When you click on this, all the information will come up. So for this is my first name. I will not just click on this first name. No, you come to this side, this arrow here. You click on it. As you can see, you click on text answer. Then you click on answer. Then you see value. This is what you put there. Once you click on just value, this will come up. Same for last name and also the same for your email and the value. So once you just click it, everything come up. Then you click on save. Then once you click on save, you come back to your form, you fill it. After you're done filling it, you submit. Once you submit, the whatever you submit, the response will just come here straight. As you can see, I would have run it again, but I have exhausted my free package on make.com, so I can't do any automation again on it. So that is it. It's a very simple automation. So if you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I will do my possible best to reply. And please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and also subscribe. And also just continue please joining me on this journey into tech. So thank you very much once again. I remain Tamaribi Debra Ingbi. And once again, thank you.
For joining me on this journey and the documentation and everything. So please let me know in what aspects I can improve, and don't forget to like, share, and comment and subscribe. Thank you.